Are you being asked to translate that write-up to different languages, either your native language, probably by a supervisor or whosoever that wants you to translate any write-up in English language to any different languages so needed? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can translate that document, either PDF file or Word document, to any language of your choice. And I promise you, I'm going to show you the easy way to do that. In this case, I'm going to use this PDF file to actually do that right now. Head over to your web browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. Come to your address bar and type Google Translate. From the search result, you just click on this particular one, Google Translate. It brings you up to this very interface. Now you can see from here, now you can actually do a whole lot. We wish to translate this document to a different language, and the supported file types include .doc. That means your document should either end with this file extension .docx or .pdf or .pptx or .xlsx. Okay, so these are different file formats that are being supported. To proceed with the example, click on browse your files to select that particular PDF file that we wish to translate to a different language. Now this is the particular file. Now when you've attached it, you see it will ask you which language do you wish to translate it to. Already our write-up is in English language. We wish to translate it to a different language. Now you can see from here we have different languages you can actually translate it to. There are so many of them. Okay, you may wish to translate it to Arabic language. All you just need to do is to click on this Arabic language. You notice that Arabic language has been selected from this very end. The next thing you need to do is to click on translate. Now it will take the process of reading that particular file to convert all the whole write-up from the particular language it is to Arabic language. Now if you notice, you will observe that it has finished translating it to Arabic language. What I need to do right now is to click open translation. You will see that the whole write-up has been translated to Arabic language. You can see all the whole thing being translated. You can see that. So I want you to practice this and let me know your result from the comment section. I'll be glad to receive your comment. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do. We appreciate that support so that you also know when I drop new videos on this channel. Thank you.